Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support